My son was bitten by a snake. I'm pretty sure it came from a vacant house that the owner isn't keeping up. The yard is nothing but weeds. Can I make him pay for our ER trip? And that question comes from Sandra. What would you tell Sandra about this snake incident? She's saying it didn't actually happen on that person's property. They just think the snake came from the person's property.
Well, that's going to be pretty hard to prove. So that's going to be probably no, is you're probably not going to be able to hold that person liable because one, it's a wild animal. You're going to have to show that they had some kind of notice about snakes being on that property and that they allowed them to be there and multiply and be poisonous and all that. And so it's kind of almost like an intervening act of God. I mean, you have this wild animal that you can't expect a property owner to control, even if he lived there. You know, and maintained the property and cut the grass and kept it all up, he could still have a poisonous snake on his property and it could go over to the next yard. Just because the grass has grown up doesn't mean the snakes are congregating there.
Just me questioning, what if she could take pictures of snakes on the property? What if she did have some proof? Would it change things or would it still be hard to prove?
It would still be a hard case.
Okay.
You know, it'd be difficult. I mean, count your blessings that it sounds like it was just an ER visit and, you know, he was okay after that.
Right.
You know, if it became an extensive situation where they had a lot of medical bills and a lot of treatment, then it'd be something an attorney may look into and see if there's a pathway to liability there, but it's going to be a tough case.